Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a easy skincare product. This is the face mist which I'm going to show you. A face mist is a skincare product that you can spray on your face. They deliver an instant hit of hydration with ingredients like vitamins, extracts and essential oils. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this face mist, I am using Saunf or Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are aromatic herb belonging to the parsley family, and we commonly have this at the end of every meal as mouth freshener. But fennel seeds are rich in copper, potassium, calcium, zinc, manganese and iron. They are also rich in antioxidants. Its therapeutic and healing properties make it the perfect ingredient to be used in your skincare regime. This can be used as face mist or even as face pack. If you want to know the face pack recipe, you can leave your comment in the comment section. The method to make this face mist is that first you need to boil 100 ml of water. For that I'm using a steel bowl where I have added 100 ml of water and let it to boil. Once it starts boiling, you need to add 1 tablespoon of the fennel seeds immediately into the boiling water and close the lid so that it infuses in the water. You need to put off the that and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After it cools, your face mist is almost ready. You need to strain it first. Take a clean bowl and use a clean strainer to strain the water. You don't have to throw the residue. You can use it as face pack. The water or the face mist is ready as it is now. You can add few extra ingredients which can provide nourishment to your skin along with this face mist. To make this face mist more beneficial, you can add any essential oil and face oil. I'm using turmeric essential oil because turmeric essential oil in any formulation can brighten the skin due to the powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds working together to heal and bring out the natural health of your skin. The next is the carrot oil. This is homemade carrot oil. Which is used to protect the skin from ultraviolet rays and has strong anti-aging properties due to its rich content of vitamin A, C and E. If you are looking for an oil to brighten and tone the skin, then use the carrot oil, which can boost dull, lackluster skin and bring out the glow onto your skin. Well, adding these ingredients may be optional, and if you want to still use it and you don't find any of these ingredients, you can just use 1 capsule of vitamin E into this face mist or few drops of coconut oil. Mix everything thoroughly and you can store it in a clean bottle. Keep this in the refrigerator for more than 10 days. I'm using a spray bottle which can be sprayed in between makeup steps or even during the skincare, and you can dilute this foundation or water-based products using such face mists. So this is suitable for all skin types and very easy to make. This can be used to clean your face using a cotton pad. Just spray it a few spritz on your cotton pad and rub on your face, and you can remove the dirt or any residue left over by makeup. So try this and see how it works for you. This is very cost effective, clean without any preservative, and you can be sure what you are adding into this. And you can use it on your face just to whenever you are feeling tired or you are just out of your kitchen and you want to simply feel fresh, you can just spray this directly on your face. So when you wake up, you can just spray it, or you can use it as a toner. You can use it before you moisturizing. Just it is a refreshing face mist which works well for all skin types. So if you like this video and if you like this DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want more such DIYs, please comment in the comment section below. If you like my video, please share it, and thanks for watching.